Ko te Toitū o tāna papa kia Māori tātou.
What Hana did in Parliament, I think they're a little afraid of that because of this generation.
It's hard to describe the energy. It's like electricity being amongst our people.
I knew it was big, but look how many thousands of people are here.
A lot of young people here, and it's really good to see.
No law has the right to debate hanga tira hanga.
I may have been suspended for the debating chambers.
Well done.
But the next day I showed up outside the steps with 100,000 of my people.